Alright guys, tonight we'll be working on step 26. We finished step 25, riveting the skins to the elevator, and everything lined up really nicely. Step 26 is riveting the front edge of this elevator here with these 3.2 by 8 millimeter domed rivets. We'll go ahead and get started on that. Alright guys, just finished step 26. Got the front of that all riveted on. You'd see me dipping the rivets. I dip them in a little bit of Corrosion X and stick it in there. I also brush some along this edge here to get down on the inside. And then I'm going to go over it with acetone, wipe it back off the outside of the skin. That way the outside's clear. And then when I go to paint, I'm going to also wipe it with acetone and hit it with Scotch-Brite. That way the paint won't peel. Alright, thanks. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 26 took 45 minutes. Total time on the empennage, 71 hours. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.